Good morning, Mandela United. Today is Friday, May 31st. My name is Wafiq and this is United News. Today is Festive Friday, so dress in Mandela gear and colors for the Pep Rally. Sorry about that. All art students from the fall semester should drop by the art room to pick up any of their arts that they have left behind. Any artwork left in the art room after June 7th will be thrown out or recycled. Mr. Weisgerber and Miss Bates will be holding writing tutorials on Tuesdays and Thursdays during Success. There will be a sign-up sheet outside room 1155 the day before so that you can sign up to attend. Topics will include how to use evidence to back up position, tips for source analysis, and specifics for Social 30-2 writing assignments. Today in Bullet News, due to the high levels of smoke from the high-level wildfire, Climate Change Canada has issued an air quality index of 10 for Calgary, which is the highest on the scale. Thank you and have a great day.